My restaurant right now, I only have one set menu. Like I have the Algonquin Three Sister casserole, Chipboy chicken, the bannock, the indigenous wild salads. I use all fresh vegetables and fruits every day, and the people, they absolutely love it. My name is Norma. I'm an indigenous chef here at Mi'kmaq Catering. I'm from Gaspé. I'm from a small community called Geskabegia. That's where I was born. Culinary was one of my first jobs, real actual job ever, and I've been in it since then. Like, I fell in love with it. I always said to myself, someday I'm gonna be the indigenous chef. Like, I'm gonna cater to other indigenous people. And here I am today. When I started school, I had no income coming in due to my husband's passing away to tragic circumstances, and like I had no other income coming. So I looked around, I looked online, and I found the Fund for Native Women from here in Quebec, and I did my application, and yeah, they funded me, and I went to school. I was so happy, and I'm so grateful. Don't give up. Never give up. People might try to bring you down out there, say stuff to you. Don't listen, block it, and just continue what you want to go after and never give up, and you'll succeed.